Quick Trip.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
I was not at Quick Trip.
Okay. Stop. Stop.
I wasn't at Quick Trip.
Stop. Stop. Okay?
Take your hands off me.
Just stop. Stop.
I wasn't at Quick Trip and I didn't steal anything. Let go of my hands now.
I'm not going to do that.
You have no right to touch me.
Yes, I do. All right? You're being detained.
For what?
I already explained it. Theft. We have a couple.
For what?
Couple damage complaints.
I never stole anything.
Okay. Take your push back.
No!
Yeah.
Let go of me!
Stop.
Let go!
Stop. Mr. Janitor, you're gonna act like this. So I would believe it a nuisance level at this point.
For what? I seriously
We've got
didn't
at
jump.
least 3 or 4 investigations involving you going on right now.
Let go of my arms.
Unlock your arm.
You have one chance.
Okay,
You have
sir.
2 seconds.
Stop.
2 seconds.
Unlock your arm.
Unlock your arm so I can
No,
get your backpack out.
explain what I did.
Otherwise, I'll just cut it.
We're just gonna ruin it.
Let go of my backpack now.
Let me see if
You want us
you
to
can
cut
get
it?
1,
Unlock your arm.
2,
Sarah.
3. 1, 2, 3. Hi, Jeremy.
Huh? Jeremy.
Why do you always have to be like this?
They're here in custody.
For
I
what?
don't know if anybody can get over to Quick Trip.
So there was a bunch of calls about you breaking people's cars.
Stop. Stop.
Don't
Stop.
kick.
Stop.
Sarah, knock it off.
We're going to jail.
Yeah. We're good. We're good.
Thanks,
Sarah,
so.
Thanks.
53. If you want to let County know, we'll be en route shortly. She's combative. Okay, anything on you? Check that side. She's still carrying the beer for Quick Trip.
That's from Festy. Maskey said she's walking in Festy and grabbed it.
Oh, she just stole that too?
Yeah, she stole that too.
No, I paid for it actually.
Yeah. Okay. Hey.
She's going to my squad.
Sure.
Here, you guys get it
You
out.
ready for charges? Hey, I like your gun.
That's nice.
Let her go now.
No, can't do that. You're under arrest.
Then you're going to be under arrest for illegally touching me and doing nothing. I was walking down the street. Let me go now.
Okay. So you take anything?
Take the handcuffs off me. What did I do illegally? What did I do illegal? No,
Oh,
I
you
did
damaged
not.
property, you resisted.
Oh,
You battered
I
an
did
officer.
not. Take them off.
Okay, we're gonna stand up now, all right? Want to use your legs? Sarah, come on. Use your legs, Sarah. Stand up. Stand up.
Take them off now.
Stand up.
Liam,
Stand
take
up.
them off now.
Stand up.
For what?
Stand up.
For what?
Sarah, stand up.
No. For what? For
Wanna
what?
grab one arm or get on the other side?
For what?
That's a hat.
For what?
Sarah, get in the car.
No, I did nothing to you. Take them off and tell it to me.
We already
what?
explained this a couple times.
For what? For what? You have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You guys want to deal with this theft?
We can try to go.
Or the
We can try to go.
festival or the one at
We'll go to this
Quick Trip?
He was going to take a video, I think.
Yeah, I know. Would she kick?
Kick me in my right side.
Okay.
Be bygones, be bygones. Bring me to Huska Park right now. Right now. Now. Bring me to the park. I did nothing. I stole nothing. Bring me to the park.
Sarah Bofferding, kicking officers, resistive, combative. Several charges on her.
You can't arrest somebody for walking. This is illegal. Walking is... What did I do that was illegal? 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 Walking on the street is not illegal.
She's got one.
Let me go!
There's no contact with Second Riverside Park and Ramp without a destination.
Illegal to be arrested.
Can't be any probation.
We didn't arrest you, sir.
Seriously, walking on the street is not illegal. What did I do that was illegal? Now. Now. Why am I
She's gonna
here?
explain.
Yeah.
Why am I here?
Sarah Bofferding was charged with battery to a police officer, felony bail jumping, and resisting arrest causing injury.